I'm here in the studio today to check out a few Beko ovens. What all of these ovens have in common is their clever air fry technology. They save the need for a separate kitchen appliance, so you can just do it all in the one oven instead. Let's check it out. It cuts back on the oil and the mess that goes with it, but it still gives you those perfectly crispy results. Using air fry on one of these Beko ovens gives you a healthier, more hassle-free way to make your favourite fried foods. You can make crispy golden fries that are perfectly fluffy on the inside, or juicy chicken wings, or maybe some dense chocolatey brownies, or like us, a whole chicken. You get a special perforated large capacity air fry tray, so you just pop whatever it is you're cooking onto there. And it's this combined with the Aero Perfect technology is what makes it possible. Aero Perfect brings a unique hot air distribution system. It uses a constant stream of airflow to minimise temperature fluctuations and to make cooking faster and more even. We're going to leave the chicken to cook now and come back when it's done. And there we go, a golden crispy chicken cooked using no additional oil, so it's a really healthy option as well. Each one of these ovens has loads of other standout features. All of them makes cooking quicker and more even with its true fan technology. The actual heating element surrounds the fan, which means that the heat is more evenly distributed across the oven. It's perfect if you're short on time or if you need to whip something up quickly. Now this one's really handy in smaller kitchens where you don't have loads of space on your counters for lots of different appliances. It's a full multi-function oven, which means that it's super versatile. It combines fan and conventional oven, as well as grill, and obviously the air fryer. And this one basically cleans itself by turning stubborn cooked on food into ash that you can just wipe away, which saves so much hassle and lets you relax after dinner so you don't need to worry about scrubbing it. If you'd like more info about any of these Beko ovens, then you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.